Have you ever wondered if there's a simple, forgotten remedy hiding in your own kitchen that could completely change your health? Every day, millions of people struggle silently with joint pain, heartburn, muscle aches, fatigue, and more, believing the only answer lies in more pills, more treatments, more expenses. But today, you're going to discover something powerful. A humble white powder, baking soda, when mixed properly with water, can help naturally relieve 12 different health problems that rob your strength and energy. This isn't magic. It's natural chemistry your body already knows how to work with, and the transformation can start today. Comment natural healing if you're ready to take control of your health naturally. You see, your body was designed to heal and maintain itself. But in today's world, full of processed foods, stress, and toxins, internal acidity builds up quietly, causing inflammation, slowing digestion, burdening your heart, and wearing out your kidneys. Baking soda, a natural alkalizer, can help rebalance your body's internal environment, allowing your organs, tissues, and cells to function the way they were meant to. By restoring this balance, you unlock the hidden strength your body has been waiting to unleash. Let's dive in, one step at a time. Still here? Comment 3 if you're learning something that gives you hope. Relieving heartburn and acid reflux. Heartburn isn't just discomfort, it's a warning. When stomach acid rises up into the esophagus, it damages the delicate tissues and creates burning pain. Baking soda water neutralizes excess acid naturally, providing almost immediate relief without harmful side effects. Instead of reaching for medications that only mask the problem, you give your body the tools to restore itself. Imagine enjoying meals again without that burning fear afterward. No more popping antacids at every turn. Still with me? Comment 6 if you're serious about reclaiming your vitality. 2. Easing joint inflammation and stiffness. Those swollen fingers, sore knees, and aching shoulders are often signs of inflammation, fueled by an overly acidic body. Baking soda works by restoring alkalinity, helping to reduce inflammatory chemicals that attack your joints. Studies have shown that alkalizing the blood can calm immune overreactions and lower joint swelling naturally. Imagine waking up and stretching without pain, feeling fluid, flexible, and strong instead of stiff and burdened. That's the freedom you can move toward. 3. Preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs. Urinary tract infections can turn daily life into a painful struggle, with constant burning, pressure, and discomfort. But what many people don't realize is that bacteria thrive in acidic urine. When you drink baking soda water, you gently alkalize the urinary tract, making it far less inviting for harmful bacteria to survive and multiply. It's like setting up a natural shield inside your body, reducing the risk of infections before they even begin. Imagine going through your days without fear of that sudden, familiar sting, free, confident, and protected by the simplest natural remedy nature ever offered. Still here? Comment. No more infections if you're ready to protect your body naturally. 4. Supporting healthy blood pressure. High blood pressure isn't just a number on a doctor's chart. It's a silent threat to your heart, brain, and kidneys. When your internal environment is too acidic, your blood becomes thicker, harder to pump, and more stressful on your heart. Baking soda water helps by restoring alkalinity, allowing your blood to flow more freely and easily. This reduces the strain on your arteries and helps your heart beat stronger and cleaner. Preliminary studies suggest that correcting chronic acidity can have a real impact on lowering blood pressure naturally, without adding more pills to your daily life. Imagine supporting your heart simply and gently, one sip at a time. Still with me? Wavra. Comment 4 if you're serious about strengthening your heart naturally. 5. Reducing muscle fatigue and soreness. Have you noticed that even light activities, like walking, gardening, or cleaning, leave you feeling drained and sore longer than they used to? That's not just aging. It's your body signaling that it's struggling to clear out lactic acid. When muscles work hard, Especially in an acidic environment, lactic acid builds up faster and recovery slows down. Baking soda water acts as a natural buffer against lactic acid, helping neutralize it and speed up muscle recovery. Athletes have used this strategy for decades to improve endurance and reduce soreness, and now you can too. Imagine feeling stronger, lighter, and more capable with every step you take, thanks to one simple daily habit. Still here? Comment stronger every day if you're ready to boost your stamina naturally. 6. Protecting kidney health. Your kidneys are two of the hardest working organs in your body, filtering blood, regulating minerals, and maintaining pH balance. But chronic internal acidity exhausts them, forcing them to work overtime until they weaken. Studies show that baking soda supplementation can actually slow the progression of kidney disease by easing the acid burden. It's like giving your kidneys a much-needed helping hand, allowing them to function longer, stronger, and healthier. Imagine offering your body's vital filters a simple gift each day. Less stress, more support, and a longer life. That's the kind of preventive care that starts with knowledge. And a single glass of water. Still with me?
At 6 if you're committed to protecting your health.
7. Improving digestive health. If you feel heavy, bloated, or uncomfortable after eating, even after a light meal, it's a sign that your digestive system is struggling. When the stomach environment becomes too acidic or imbalanced, food breaks down poorly, gas builds up, and discomfort follows. Baking soda water helps by restoring the stomach's natural pH, improving the breakdown of food, reducing gas, and supporting the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Instead of masking symptoms with quick fixes, you create real change at the root of the problem. Imagine finishing a meal and feeling light, satisfied, and energized, not weighed down or miserable. Still here? Comment, happy gut, if you're ready to enjoy food again without the discomfort. 8. Strengthening the immune system. Your immune system is your frontline defense against infections, viruses, and chronic diseases. But did you know that an overly acidic body can weaken immune cell activity? Research shows that when your internal environment is balanced and slightly alkaline, your white blood cells, your body's warriors, become more effective at fighting off threats. Baking soda water supports this shift, helping you build a stronger, faster-responding immune system. Imagine facing each season, each challenge, each surprise your body encounters with resilience, because you've given your body the internal environment it needs to protect you naturally. 9. Easing arthritis symptoms and revitalizing joints. Few conditions steal your freedom like arthritis. That aching, grinding pain in the joints, the way your fingers, knees, and hips stiffen and resist movement. It's not just physical. It weighs on your spirit. Most treatments focus only on numbing the pain, but they don't address what fuels it. Chronic inflammation caused by an acidic internal environment. Baking soda water works differently. By naturally alkalizing the body, it helps reduce inflammatory markers that attack joint tissues. Over time, this can lead to less pain, greater flexibility, and a return to activities you thought were lost forever. Imagine opening jars, climbing stairs, playing with your grandkids, and doing it with a smile instead of a grimace. Still here? Comment, freedom to move, if you're ready to reclaim your mobility naturally. The beauty of using baking soda water for arthritis is that you aren't simply hiding symptoms. You're creating better conditions for your body to heal itself. Studies show that individuals who reduce systemic inflammation experience a cascade of benefits: more energy, better sleep, stronger circulation, all interconnected through the amazing system that is your body. When you shift your inner chemistry toward healing, every system wins, starting with your joints. Small daily choices lead to big life changes. 10. Improving oral health and protecting your smile. When most people think about health, they often forget one of the most important starting points: the mouth. Your oral health doesn't just affect your teeth, it impacts your entire body. Gum disease, infections, and chronic inflammation in the mouth can contribute to heart disease, diabetes, and even weakened immune defenses. Baking soda water offers a powerful, natural way to protect your mouth. Its alkalizing action helps neutralize harmful acids that erode enamel, create cavities, and feed bacteria. When you rinse or gargle with baking soda water, you help maintain a healthy pH environment where damaging bacteria can't thrive. Imagine having fresher breath, healthier gums, and stronger teeth, all without relying on chemical-laden products. Still here? Comment stronger smile if you're ready to protect your health from the inside out. What's even more exciting is how this simple habit supports your whole body. Medical research shows that reducing oral inflammation lowers your risk for serious systemic diseases. Your mouth is the entryway to your body, and keeping it alkaline helps strengthen your body's first line of defense. Brushing with a little baking soda, rinsing with a mild solution, or drinking baking soda water as part of your routine creates an environment of healing and protection that begins the moment you smile. It's simple, effective, and empowering. 11. Detoxifying the body naturally. Every day, your body is exposed to toxins from the air you breathe, the food you eat, and even the medications you take. Over time, these toxins accumulate in your tissues, burdening your liver, clogging your lymphatic system, and weakening your energy levels. Many people turn to extreme detox diets or expensive products. But the truth is, the most powerful detoxifier might already be in your home. Baking soda water, when consumed correctly, helps alkalize your system and encourages the release of stored acids and heavy metals like lead and mercury. It gently supports your body's natural detox pathways through the kidneys, sweat, and breath without shocking your system. Still here? Comment. Clean from within if you're ready to detox the smart and simple way. An alkaline body is like a flowing river, clean, clear, and self-purifying. When the internal terrain is balanced, toxins have less chance to settle and do damage. Studies show that supporting pH balance can enhance kidney filtration, reduce liver stress, and improve the elimination of waste through urine. And unlike trendy detoxes that dehydrate or deplete you, baking soda works with your body's intelligence, not against it. Imagine feeling lighter, clearer, and more focused simply because your body is no longer weighed down by internal waste. That's the power of supporting your system from the inside out, naturally and consistently. 12. Preventing kidney stones. Few pains compare to the agony of a kidney stone. These tiny, jagged crystals form when minerals and salts clump together in an overly acidic urinary environment, often requiring excruciating procedures to remove. But here's the good news. Prevention is within your reach. Drinking baking soda water can help alkalize your urine, dissolving crystals before they grow large enough to cause damage. Studies show that maintaining an alkaline urinary pH dramatically reduces the risk of uric acid stones, the most common type. Imagine protecting your kidneys, avoiding emergency room visits, and preserving your energy, all through a simple, natural daily habit. Still here? Comment, no more stones if you're committed to protecting your kidneys naturally. Taking care of your kidneys isn't just about avoiding pain. It's about preserving your entire body's health. Your kidneys filter and balance everything in your system, affecting your blood pressure, heart, energy levels, and more. Every time you choose to support your kidneys, you're investing in longer, healthier years ahead. A glass of baking soda water a day, prepared thoughtfully and consumed wisely, could become your personal insurance policy against one of the most preventable health emergencies in adulthood. Still with me? Comment. 12 if you're proud of the knowledge you're gaining today. Now that you understand all 12 health benefits of drinking baking soda water, from heartburn relief to kidney stone prevention, you can see how powerful natural rebalancing truly is. It's not about chasing miracles. It's about understanding the beautiful way your body was designed to heal, protect, and regenerate when given the right environment. Small changes, like a simple daily glass of properly prepared baking soda water, add up over time into massive transformation. The choice is in your hands now. You can continue feeling stuck, overwhelmed by symptoms, or you can begin a new chapter, one where your body works with you, not against you. Health is not a destination. It's a daily decision. You deserve to feel light, strong, free, and energized. And now you have one of the simplest tools to help you get there. If this content made sense to you, I invite you to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you won't miss any more content that can transform your life from the inside out. And I want to see you in the comments. Tell me if you've ever used baking soda water, or if you already knew about any of these benefits. How did you feel? Your story can inspire many others to take the first step too. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. There is a natural path to recovery and strengthening, and it begins with your daily decision to take care of your most valuable asset, your health. The power is already in your hands. Now it's time to choose to use it.